Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today's video, we're going to be looking at the song Spite by Omar Apollo. First up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. And quick disclaimers first, we're going to be playing this song as if you're going to be learning this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar, as well as playing this as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. But yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. Just these 4 chords for the entire song. First up is going to be the G minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That is going to be 3, dead string, 3, 3, 3, then dead string. Next up is going to be the G sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That is going to be 4, dead string, 5, 5, 4, then dead string. Next up is going to be the C minor 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Same chord shape as this one right here, but we're just going to be moving it from the 3rd fret up to the 8th fret. And that is going to be 8, dead string, 8, 8, 8, dead string. Then lastly, it's going to be the B flat 7 chord, which is going to be this one right here. Now personally, I like to do it this way, but some people would like to do it this way as well. It's up to your preference when it comes to playing a chord that you like. So it's going to be 6, dead string, 6, 7, 6, then another dead string. So all in all, we have G minor 7, G sharp major 7, C minor 7, then the B flat 7 chord. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. So allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So to break that down even further, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the lower E string along with the D, G, and the B strings all together, reading it out for 1 count. Then it's going to be D, G, and the B strings together again, then slapping your fretboard. Just like that. Bass, D, G, B, reading it out for 1 count, D, G, B strings together, then slapping your fretboard. And that works for all the chords that we're going to be using for this song. So G minor 7, G sharp major 7, C minor 7, then B flat 7. Yep. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the chord progression that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. So pretty much just going to be the G minor 7 chord for 2 counts. That's going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. And repeating that chord progression twice, so 1 more time. That's going to be the C minor 7 chord for 2 counts, and the B flat 7 chord for 2 counts. Once more. Yep, so that entire chord progression right there, from top to bottom, we're going to be repeating that entire thing for a total of 15 times. And that's going to be your song basically from start to finish. So once again, it's going to be the G minor 7 chord for 2 counts, G sharp major 7, 1 more. C minor 7, B flat 7. You like it, like I do, like me. Yep, just like that. For the entirety of the song. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. You like it, like I do, like me. You like it, like I do, like me. Why you gotta ruin every night? 50K, I'll spend it at a spot. Every time I see you on my phone, hate that I still need you in my life. Tulips dying slowly, place I wanna go. I still wanna take you on a day. So yeah, that is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.